Hello students, welcome all of you in DSS online classes. This is Chaman Singh and we will once again read our next topic in part 5 reading video, a closer look, a Magadha or Magad. Student, listen very carefully and try to learn difficult word meanings. Find Magadha on map 4, page 57. Magadha became the most important Mahajanpada in about 200 years. Many rivers such as the Ganga and Son flowed through Magadha. This was important for transport. Now, the meaning of transport is to carry or take people or goods from one place to another. Water supplies making the land fertile. Parts of Magadha were forested. Elephants which lived in the forest could be captured and trained for the army. Now the meaning of captured is to take control of something, and the meaning of trained is to teach a person to do something which is difficult or which needs practice. Forests also provided wood for building houses, carts and chariots. The meaning of chariot is an open vehicle with wheels that was pulled by a horse or horses in ancient times. Besides, there were iron ore mines in the region that could be tapped to make strong tools and weapons. The meaning of ore is a rock or earth from which metal can be taken, and the meaning of tapped is to make use of a source of energy or knowledge, etc. The meaning of weapons is an object which is used for fighting or for killing people or animals, such as gun, knife, bomb, etc. Magadha had two very powerful rulers, Bimbisara and Ajat-Satru, who used all possible means to conquer. The meaning of conquer is to take control of a country or city and its people. Other Janpadas, Mahapadmananda was another important ruler. He extended, the meaning of extended is to make something larger or longer. His control up to the northwest part of the subcontinent, Rajgriha, present-day Rajgir in Bihar, was the capital of Magadha for several years. Later, the capital was shifted to Patliputra, present-day Patna. The meaning of shifted is to move or be moved from one position or place to another. More than 2300 years ago, a ruler named Alexander, who lived in Macedonia in Europe, wanted to become a world conqueror. The meaning of conqueror is a person who has conquered something. Of course, he did not conquer the world, but did conquer parts of Egypt and West Asia and came to the Indian subcontinent, reaching up to the banks of the Bias. When he wanted to march further eastward, the meaning of march is to walk with regular steps like soldiers. His soldiers refused. The meaning of refused is to say or show that you do not want to do, give or accept something. They were scared. The meaning of scared is frightened, as they had heard that the rulers of India had vast armies of foot soldiers, chariots, and elephants. The meaning of vast is very big. In what ways were these armies different from those described in the Rig Veda? So student, this is enough for today in our reading section. So you will read once again the reading video and try to learn the difficult word meanings. Till stay safe, stay happy. Good luck, all the best.